How to create account in Kick.com. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create your account in Kick. So first just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Kick.com or simply Kick, and here you should land on this page and just click on this first link. So Kick is basically a streaming platform that makes you pretty easy to watch and find your favorite content of your favorite streamer. So once you click on this Kick.com from the first website, here you should see the option called sign up. So since it's your first time coming over to this website, you can simply tap on this sign up button to actually create your first account just like this. So here inside here, just enter your Gmail or email just like this, and make sure you enter your password correctly and as well as your username. So I'll simply fill up all of the details quickly. So once you select all of the details correctly, you can simply tap on this subscribe, or you may also not tap on that because it's based on your choice, or you can also continue with your Google account as well as your Apple ID. And it will give you a verification code to your registered account, and you simply have to head over to your email and check your registered account. So I'll simply check on my registered Gmail. As you can see, the verification code has come over here. So you just have to copy and paste it over here. So it will expire in 10 minutes. So once you enter it, you should be successfully verified with your account, and your account should be successfully created just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.